Hi everyone, Marianne here, pet care consultant at Pet Lovers Center. You think fish are easy pets that just float around all day? Think again. In today's episode of Pet Myths Debunked, we're going deep into some of the biggest myths about our fin friends. From tiny bowls to mysterious diet, it's time to find out what's fact and what's fiction. Let's dive in. You might have heard that fishes live only a few months. Well, that's not exactly true. Many fishes can live 10 to 20 years, sometimes even longer. The short lifespans you see usually happen when fish are kept in tiny bowls without proper filtration or care. A well-maintained tank makes all the difference. So here are the basic things that a fish owner should have. First, we have, of course, the tank. And then the tank will depend actually on what type of fish they are getting, its growth potential, whether it's territorial or not. Then must have also a good filtration system, including oxygen. Of course, you need the antichlorine to neutralize the chemicals in tap water. Test kit to check the water quality. And of course, the beneficial bacteria to help decompose ammonia, nitrite, nitrate. In short, these beneficial bacteria will keep the water parameter at bay. Here are other things you may need for your tank setup. You need a light, oxygen, heater, especially in an indoor setting. Then of course the thermometer, then the growl cleaner, gravel, then the net, and a decoration. Many people think that a small tank is okay for a fish. It is not. Fish need enough space, clean water, and oxygen to thrive. And small tanks don't just provide that. Even a single goldfish in a bowl can quickly become stressed and sick. Bigger tank, better filtration, happier fish. Fish don't feel pain, do they? Science tells us, yes, they do feel pain. Fish actually have complex nervous systems and can experience pain, stress, and fear, just like other pets. Studies have shown that fish react to painful stimuli and stressful situations. For example, they may change color, swim erratically, hide, or stop eating when stressed. Even loud noises, overcrowding, or poor water quality can make them anxious. So while they don't meow or bark, fish still have feelings, and it's our job to make sure that their environment keeps them healthy and happy. Some fish owners think that once a tank is set up, that's it. You can leave the water alone. Spoiler alert! Water quality is everything for your fish. Dirty water isn't just ugly to look at. It can actually be toxic and life-threatening. Fish produce waste. Leftover food breaks down. And harmful chemicals like ammonia and nitrites build up over time. Without regular water changes and filtration, these toxins accumulate and can make your fish sick or stressed. Partial water changes, usually 10 to 25% a week, depending on tank size, help remove these toxins, maintain balanced water chemistry, and keep your fish happy and thriving. Think of it like giving your fish a mini spa day every week. A lot of people think that fish are tiny garbage disposals and can eat whatever you throw in. Bread, biscuits, leftovers from dinners, you name it. But just because a fish bites something doesn't mean it's good for them. Just like dogs, cats, or humans, fish have specific nutritional needs. Some are herbivores and need plant-based food. Others are carnivores that eat insects or protein-rich food. And many are omnivores that need a mix. Feeding the wrong food can lead to bloating, digestive problems, poor immunity, and dirty water. Even human food like bread can swell in their stomachs and cause serious harm. So before feeding, always check what your fish species actually eats. The right diet doesn't just keep them alive. It keeps their colors bright, their fins strong, and immune system healthy. Here at PLC, we have a variety of fish foods to choose from depending on your fish species. We have flakes, buffers, pellets, biogels, and a lot more. Lots of people think that fish are totally fine living alone. After all, they're quiet and don't seem to mind, right? Not always. Whether a fish should live solo or with friends depends on its species and instincts. Some fish like tetras, guppies, mollies, danios, and many others are schooling or shoaling species. That means they're wired to live in groups, usually 5 or more of their own kind. When kept alone, they can become stressed, hide more often, lose color, stop eating, or even become ill over time. On the flip side, certain fish like bettas, some gouramis, and some cichlids are territorial and prefer living alone. Putting them with the wrong tank mates or even too many of the same species can lead to stress or aggression. The bottom line, fish aren't all the same. Some need buddies to feel safe and behave naturally, while others they need their own space to avoid fighting. Doing a quick species check before buying helps you set up the right social environment for them. There you go, 6 fish myths busted. From tiny balls to misunderstood diets, fish are more intelligent, social, and sensitive than most people think. Remember, a happy fish isn't just about filling a tank. It's about clean water, enough space, the right food, and sometimes companionship. Care for them properly, and they bring life and color to your home for years. Got any pet myths you want us to debunk next? Leave it in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pet Myths Debunked for your next dose of pet facts. Bye!